In this upcoming lab, you're going to be configuring self-service password reset in Microsoft Entra ID. However, before handing things over to you, let's quickly walk through the steps you'll take when it's your turn. You'll begin the lab in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, where you'll click on the protection dropdown in the left navigation pane. This will take you to the security-related settings, and from there, you'll click on Password Reset to begin configuring self-service password reset, which is a feature that allows users to reset their own passwords without needing help from an administrator. Before you enable SSPR, you'll define the authentication methods users will need to use when resetting their passwords. To do that, you'll click on Authentication Methods under the Manage heading. For this lab, you'll set the number of required authentication methods to 2, which adds an extra layer of security to the reset process. Next, you'll enable a few different authentication methods. You'll check the email box to allow email as one method, making it easy and accessible for users. Then you'll check mobile app notification, so users can also authenticate through mobile app notifications. Finally, you'll check mobile phone to let users receive authentication codes via text messages on their mobile phones. After selecting these options, you'll click Save to lock in your choices. Once that's done, you'll move on to the registration settings by clicking on Registration. Here, you'll ensure users are required to register for SSPR when they sign into Entra ID by selecting Yes. You'll also change the reconfirmation period for authentication info from the default 180 days to 90 days, ensuring users keep their information up to date more frequently. Then you'll click Save to apply the new settings. Next, you'll configure how users and admins are notified during the SSPR process. By clicking on Notifications, you'll select Yes to notify users when they reset their passwords, and you'll also enable notifications for administrators when an admin resets their password. You'll click Save to apply these settings. Finally, you'll turn on SSPR by going to the Properties section. You'll have 3 options: enabling SSPR for all users, enabling it for select users, or keeping it turned off. In this lab, you'll choose Selected to limit SSPR to a specific group of users. You'll change the group that SSPR is enabled for by clicking on the Finance link and scrolling down to select the Human Resources group. You'll confirm the selection by clicking Select and then clicking Save to apply the new settings.